Good afternoon. I'm fine.
Yeah.
Oh,
For
it's
what?
much. It's really big.
That's what. It's not big.
Fine. Thank you very much. Don't need to sign anyway.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's really big. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Tantua Ebidein Diana. Hashtag I am light on social media. So now, first of all, today we are going to be doing what I ordered versus what I got, and eventually like what I had to do with it, right? So the first thing that I have to say is that what I ordered was this Afro kinky hair from Dali, Nigeria. And I got it at about, I think it was 1,920 naira. And when it came as two bundles. Like, I actually thought it's going to come out as an Afro wig, but then it not come out like that. It not come like that. And like, honestly, I've been doing a lot of content with Darling, Mega Growth, and the rest, but because this one I have to wig it, I've been postponing this video. But today has come. Yay, today has come. Okay, so the first thing I had to do was that I went to the market to get a wig cap because I have to wig it, and I went to get the wig cap. And when you're getting the wig cap, just make sure that you don't get these ones that don't have the wig net, just like a closure or frontal or something. Not a frontal though, a closure. So now, next, wigging. If you don't know how to wig, also please just learn on YouTube. Me, I learned like via someone on Instagram, wig by Lana, and I don't think I've seen any wig what's it called, tutorials anytime like recent. I don't know if she still does that, but then if you can't get it through her or something, then like you can always learn from YouTube. Okay. Then the next thing is that I don't have a mannequin. I don't have a mannequin head, mannequin stand, anything like that. When I was at home, my sister was my mannequin head. But now I don't have any mannequin and my sister isn't here, so like I always use like my knees to wear the wig cap, and then I like sew it, or I can even hold it like a sewing cloth, and then sometimes I have to test this like so I know what I'm doing, right? So that I know what I'm doing. And then it was looking nice, and then halfway through, one of the bundles, that's the Afro kinky bundles, finished. Okay, and then I had to use the second one. And you know how, let's say you've been wigging and you know that if this first one has finished at this point, this second one is not going to be enough. Okay, so what I did, I was now like increasing the spaces and trying to manage it, and even with that I got to the front and it was still not enough. So what I had to do was that I had to loosen some at the back, and it actually made sense because if I was to trim the hair, the wig, I'm going to have to trim the back to get a uniform and to get the back looking round. Like, do you get like how it's supposed to be? So it just made sense that I loosened the back and then I used that one to fill up the front, and it did not even like get the front filled. Though it didn't get the front filled, what now I had to now do was to close, like use the net, hold the net, and then I sewed the net together. That's to close that big pattern that was there, and then see how it looked when I closed it. And then to customize this lace, what I did, you have to customize the lace before you fix it so that it will not it will look nicer, or it will blend better with your skin. So what I did, first of all, as I did in my previous darling wig video, is just that you use foundation, and then you will not use a blending sponge, you use a brush so that it will be even and so it will not pack on one side. Okay, so what you do is that you use foundation, you put it on your hand, and then you use a brush to get it even, and then you now use the brush to brush on your wig net. And then when me, I did the front and back, so you brush with foundation and then you now go in with powder so that mold is not going to grow, like so your wig is not going to be wet and be very prone to having mold growing on it. Okay, so that's that about that. Foundation and then powder, and then your wig looks like your skin tone somehow. Then when you're done with this wig, you can see how the wig looks. It's not even, it's not uniform. You have to like try to adjust it. So first of all, what I did was something that Adana does when she wants to refreshen her wigs or something, especially synthetic hair. First of all, she put water in her spray bottle, and I put water in my own spray bottle, and then leave-in conditioner. So I'm using this my favorite leave-in conditioner and Jackie's leave-in conditioner, and then I'm putting this Bayelsa conditioner also. My hair doesn't like this Bayelsa conditioner. What my hair doesn't like it. It's does not penetrate my hair very well. Like I'll apply it on my hair and my hair won't get soft. I think it's because my hair is low porosity, or I honestly don't even know, but I've stopped using it for my hair, so I can use it for weave ons, right? Okay, so that's that about that. I put the two, and then I put olive oil, shake, 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 and then sprayed my hair. As I sprayed this hair, it was actually softer, better. It now started making me feel like, are you sure Hamatan is not part of why the hair was turning out like rigid and strong? Like the Hamatan that came out today. Today is what? Today is December 3rd. The Hamatan that came out today. No, 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 no. It was not for babies. Okay, so after spraying it with this like mixture and everything, it got softer, it got bouncier, but then there were still spikes. Okay, just like when you have a twist out, some are very defined, some are not defined. So the part that was defined was sticking out, and it was somehow, I had to be trimming this hair. I think is high maintenance, and the worst thing is that if I was doing it on someone else's hair, I think it would have been less stressful, but because I was doing it on my own self, it wasn't really nice. Like I was like, oh, why? And then when I would go to make a video and come back, I'll see that, oh, this part is standing out, this part was sticking out. This, I was like, what is it? What is it? And it's something like I ended up falling in love with the hair. I ended up liking it, and I was like, oh, I sure I'm not going to like be wearing this wig this period. But then I'm seriously thinking, am I going to keep on like having to do a lot of high maintenance trimming, and then at the end of the day, I'm not even sure which part of my hair is going to like come out right really nice, or which part of my hair is going to be spiky, or the rest. Do you get it? So that's that about that. I wore this red dress also because it's Christmas. Okay, it's not Christmas yet, right? But like I think that the feeling of Christmas has already started, right? And also, I use my red lippy. So first of all, I want to even make an announcement. I'm doing Vlogmas. I've seen few YouTubers do Vlogmas, and I don't know. I honestly know I'm not going to be perfect. Just like when I was posting every day on my Instagram, on my Facebook, I'm not going to be perfect, but I'm going to try my best, and I just want to try to learn to edit more, since I'm still like, I don't know if I should call myself a new YouTuber. I'm not even up to a year, right? So I feel that okay, I want to be editing, I want to be creating content every day. So let's just see how it goes. Turn on your post notifications if you already have not. Like why? And then also subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Thank you very much, all my 330 subscribers. I want to get up to like 400 subscribers by the end of this year, and I know that that's scary, right? Just how many days? I don't know if it's possible, but I'm just saying it out. Like anyone, it might even happen, right? So I'm doing Vlogmas every day. I'm going to be posting from today until 31st of December, and I think I'm going to delete all of them at the end of the time. I don't know, but let's see how everything goes. Okay, we have come to the end of the story time. Tell me what you like most about the video. And then thank you everybody for watching. Thank you for everything, your support, your like, your comment, your share, for tuning into my video. I appreciate you. Thank you so much, beautiful people, and I'll see you. So see you, thank you, and have a lovely rest of your day. Mwah.
Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never